Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Start with the great name of Allah, who is most and merciful. First of all, I introduction myself. Name Ghulam Farooq, roll number 2K19, LCS 19, batch 2K19, department BCS, subject data structure, year second year, semester first semester, and instructor name Kurtalen Gopang. These are my topics. Topic number 1, types of linked list. Second topic is binary search, and third topic word processing, and fourth topic tree traversal. Today we will discuss about types of linked list. Singly linked list. Item navigation is a forward only. Doubly linked list. Items can be navigated forward and backward. Circular linked list. Last item contains link of the first element as a next, and the first element has a link to the last element as a previous. Sorry, some problem here. Singly linked list. Singly linked lists contains nodes which have a data field as well as next field which points to the next nodes. Line of nodes operation that can be performed are singly linked list include insertion, deletion, and traversal. You can see graph here. Singly linked list. A singly linked list whose nodes contains two fields and integer value and a link to the next node. Doubly linked list. A doubly linked list is a variation of linked list in which navigation is possible in both ways, either forward and backward easily as compared to singly linked list. Following are the important terms to understand the concept of doubly linked list. Link. Each link of linked list can store a data collection called an elements. Next, each link of linked list contains a link to the next link called next. Previous. Each link of a linked list contains a link to the previous link called previous. Linked list. A linked list contains the connection link to the first link called first and to the last link called last link. You can see here called first and to the last link called last. It is a graph doubly linked list. Circular linked list. A circular linked list is either a singly or doubly linked list in which there are no null values. Here we can implement the circular linked list by making the use of singly or doubly linked list. In the case of a singly linked the list, the next of the last node contains the address of the first node, and in case of a doubly linked list, the next of last node contains the address of the first node, and previous of the first node contains the address of the last node. Contains the address of the first node, and previous of the first node contains the address of the last node. Singly linked list. As a circular linked list, the next pointer of last node points to the first node. Singly linked list. You can see here, sorry, some problem here. Next pointer of the last node points to the first node. It is graph. You can see here circular linked list. My next topic is binary search. Binary search, this is used for searching in a stored array. Binary search is a fast search algorithm with runtime. This search algorithm works on the principle of divide and conquer. For this algorithm to work properly, the data collection should be in the sorted form. Binary search looks for a particular item by comparing the middlemost item of the collection. If a match occurs, then the index of item is returned. If the middle item is greater than the item, then the item is searched in the sub-array to the left of the sub item. Middle item is otherwise the item is searched for the sub-array. To the right of the middle item, this process continue on the sub-array as sub-array as well until the size of the sub-array reduced to 0. How to binary search works? For a binary search to work, it is mandatory for the target array to be sorted. We shall learn the process of binary search with a pictorial example. The following is our sorted array, and let's assume that we need to search the location of value 31 using binary search. We have a formula who is used in binary search. You can see here it is formula who is used in binary search. The following is our sorted array, and let us assume that we need to search the location of value 31 using binary search. You can see here 10, 14, 19, 26, 27, 31, 33, 35, 42 and 44. It is values, and this is locations 0 to 9. 0 to 9, it is location. It is a formula mid equal low plus high minus low divided 2. Our lowest value is 0 and lowest value is 0, you can see here, and plus highest value with highest value. Our highest value is 9, and minus, you can see here according this minus, and lowest value 0, lowest value is 0 and divided 2. 0 plus 9, it will be 9, and 0 minus from 9, it will be same 9, and divide 2, it will be 4.5. 4 integer value of 4.5, so 4 is the mid of the array. Four is the mid of the array. You can see here 27 is the mid array, it is location of 4. Now we compare the value stored at location 4 with the value being searched 31. We find that the value at location 4 is 27, which is not a match as the value is greater than 27, and we have a sorted array, so we also know that the target value must be in the upper portion of the array. Arrow indicate 31, it is our target value 31, and it is avail location of 5. We change our low to mid plus 1 and find the new mid value again. Low equal plus mid plus 1, it is a formula use. Our new mid is 7. Now we compare the value stored at location 7 with our target value 31. Value 31. So we find 7 location, it is value is 35, but our target value 31, it is a location of 5. The value stored at location 7 is not match, rather not match. Rather, it is more than what we are looking for, so the value must be in the lower part from this location. We calculate the mid again, this time it is 5. It is avail 35, location of 5. You can see here location of 5, 31. We compare the value stored at location 5 with our target value. We find that it is match. 31, you can say arrow indicator 31 is and 5. We conclude that the target value 31 is stored at location 5. Binary search always the searchable items and thus reduce the count of comparison to be to very less numbers. My next topic is word processing. In earlier times, a character data processed by the computer consisted mainly of data items such as names and address. Computer so process with a printed data, some word processing data. Replacement, inserting and deletion. Replacement, replacing one string in the text by another. Inserting, inserting string in the middle of text. And deletion, deleting the string from given text. Replacement, suppose in given text T we want to replace pattern P1 with pattern P2. Replacement, text P1 and P2. Example, replacement, it is letters. You can see here we put here and replacement A, B. You can see here A and B, and A, B replacement we will put here C. Put, you can see an answer X, C. C we put according this X, C, Y, A, B, Z. It is answer. Insertion, suppose a given text T we want to insert a string S, so that S begins in position K. We denoted this operations by TKS. K is position. Insert example, insert text position string. Insert, these letters are text and 3 is position and X, Y, Z it is string. We insert X, Y, Z here. You can see here X, Y, Z. We inserted X, Y, Z. A, B, C and start from here X, Y, Z. We insert it. C, D, E. Can see here it is a answer insertion. Deletion, suppose in given text T we want to delete the substring which begins in position K, has length L. We denoted this operation by delete. Example, delete text position length. Delete A, B, C letters means these letters text and 4 is position, 2 is length. We delete and D, E. We delete here 2 length. Our length is 2 means D, E will be delete here and it will be A, B, C, F, G. It is answer. My next topic is traversal. Traversal. Traversal is a process to visit all the nodes of a tree and may print their value too. Because all nodes are connected via edges links, we always start from the root head node. That is, we cannot randomly access a node in a tree. There are three ways which we use to traverse a tree. These are, these are in order traversal, pre-order traversal, and post-order traversal. In order traversal. In this traversal method, the left subtree is visited first, then the root, and later the right subtree. We should always remember that every node may represent a subtree itself. If a binary tree is traversed in order, the output will produce sorted key value in an ascending order. Example in order traversal. Starting A first B, start 1 first B and second our is 2 number A and third number C. You can see here this is a left subtree. Left subtree. It is a you can see here a left subtree. And it is a left subtree and a right subtree. I indicated this arrow with arrow. You can see it is a right subtree. In order traversal, we start from A and following in order traverse, we move to its left subtree B. B is also traverse in order. The process goes on until all nodes are visited. The output of in order traverse of this tree will be D. This is answer D, B, E, A, F, C, G. It is the answer. Pre-order traversal. In this traversal method, the root node is visited first, then the left subtree, and finally the right subtree. You can see here root. Start 1A and second B, third C. I have already told you it is a left subtree and it is a right subtree. We start from A and following pre-order traverse, we first visit itself and the move to its left subtree. BB is also traverse pre-order. The process goes on until all the nodes we visited. The output pre-order traverse of this tree will be A, B, D, E, C, F, G. It is the answer. Post-order traversal. In this traversal method, the root node is visited last, hence the name. First we traverse the left subtree, then the right subtree, and finally the root node. Start B, 1 and second C and third A. We start from A and following post-order traverse. We start visit the left subtree. B is also traverse post order. The process goes until all the nodes are visited. The output of the post traversal of this tree will be D, E, B, F, G, C, A. It is the answer. Thanks.